Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to our presentation on conjunctions focusing on fanboys. Are you excited to learn? Let's explore how these words connect our thoughts. Conjunctions are words that connect clauses, sentences, or words. They help create complex and compound sentences. For example, I wanted to go for a walk, but it started to rain. Fanboys stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Each conjunction has its specific role. Let's see all these one by one. For. For explains reasons. As in, she studies hard for she wants to excel. And add ideas. Like in I enjoy reading and I love writing. Nor presents alternatives negatively, such as he doesn't like coffee, nor does he enjoy tea. But shows contrast, as in, I wanted to buy a dress, but it was too expensive. Or provides choices, like, would you like tea or coffee? Yet indicates contrast, similar to but, as in, it was raining, yet we decided to hide. So shows a result, like she was tired, so she went to bed early. Combining fanboys enhances flow. For example, I wanted to watch a movie, but I was tired, so I read instead. Let's check your understanding with the practice exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate fanboys conjunction. Number 1. I wanted to go swimming, blank, it was too cold. So what will come in the blank? Yes, but I wanted to go swimming, but it was too cold. Number 2. Would you like pizza? Blank, would you prefer pasta? Correct. Would you like pizza or would you prefer pasta? You can see answers here. In conclusion, understanding and using fanboys enhances sentence structure and clarity. They are essential tools for effective communication. That's it for today. Stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.